So, it looks like my washing machine is clogged. Right here is the part that I need to get to. So if there was an access panel here like the older models have, you just pop it off, get to the drain, clean it out and fix it. But they made this thing all one piece, very frustrating. So there's two ways. I can remove this whole front panel. I've got to come in here, take this door off. I have to remove the wire thing that's around this seal. Then I have to remove this seal and bring the whole front panel out. The other way that I've done it is by coming to the back. It's a lot easier to unscrew these bolts. So I just get my ratchet out, put the ratchet around. So I wanted to point this out to you. See, this screw here, you don't have to unscrew. This screw here, you just have to loosen. This one you don't, this one you do. All right. Using a screwdriver is a little easier than the ratchet. Can't forget the screw in the middle. So you see this thing just pops right off pretty easily. And it comes right out. So here's the back of it. Now the part that I'm aiming for is down here. So here is the drain right here. And this is how you release it. There's a little pinch clip right here. So I'm going to put this towel underneath because water does come out. Not a whole lot of water. Maybe a cup tops. But this makes my cleanup easier. If it just catches here first, I got less to clean up. And then I'm just going to pinch this and pop it up. The washing machine was full of water, so I'm going to get more than a cup in this scenario. There was more water in there than I anticipated, but I still caught a ton of it, which is cool. I don't think there's anything stuck in here. I think what's going to happen is there's going to be stuff stuck inside here, and yes, there is just a ton of stuff in here. I can feel it already. I'll pull some out just to show you. So this is why my pump is stuck. So you see that? Just a ton of it caught. Now, the trick here is reaching my hand all the way around to the front, and it just turned it clockwise, I believe, and I got it loose already. And now I'm just unscrewing it, and I'm going to pull it out and show you. See what's going on in here. See all that? Crap-a-roni. So this is why it's not working like it should be. A ton of stuff in here. All types of fun stuff, leaves, money. There was an old condom in there that I stole with my Uncle Rick back in the 90s. So yeah, there you go. And it does stink a little. All types of goodies. So that's literally what the problem is. It's just this thing is full of gunk. Just gotta clean it out, run it through hose through this kitchen sink or whatnot. Put it back together, and we're done. And there's this little C-clamp, super clamp around it. Put the white clips back on. I'm paying myself $95 for this, plus $25 for parts that didn't exist, but you wouldn't know that. So I'm going to go take my girl out for lunch. We're going to go do some nice lunch. Maybe we're going to go hit McCormick and Schmitz. See you guys later. Burt Blackarach, the handyman's man.